So, Dr. Rawls, there's a lot of things that people can do in conjunction with herbal therapy, like Restore 180. One thing we get questions about a lot is bee venom therapy. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, bee venom therapy has been around a long time. Somebody noticed that when beekeepers had a pretty low incidence of arthritis because they were getting stung a lot.
Wow.
And scientists started looking into it and found that the bee venom had the effect of kind of resetting the immune system and reducing inflammation in the body. It was affecting the immune system. So there's good history, good science, so efficacy. I think it's a reasonable thing to consider.
Okay.
The safety issue is the one that you have to be careful with.
Yeah.
So when I rate therapies, it's either green, yellow, or blue. I'd probably put it in the yellow category because, there are people who get anaphylactic shock from it, and there are people that have bad reactions to it.
Right.
So if you're thinking about bee venom therapy, it's really important to go to someone that really knows what they're doing.
Yep.
And they need to have epinephrine available to administer it in case you do have a reaction. And you really need to test very, very small doses. So somebody that really knows what they're doing can do a good job with that.
Okay.
So it is something to consider. And, as far as logistics, you do have to find that person who really knows what they're doing with it. And that's going to add some cost. So it's going to have a cost. And it generally takes multiple treatments. So it's a whole protocol to go through.
Right.
But that's not necessarily a bad thing. Is it a standalone therapy? Does it replace everything else? No, not at all.
Okay.
It can reduce inflammation in the body, and that's generally transient, but it's not necessarily solving this problem of dormant microbes in your system that are reactivating. So I always recommend, do that foundation with herbal therapy and diet and all the things that you need to do to restore your health, so you don't need to start to continue chasing therapies. Now, if you're building that foundation, you're taking the herbs, you're doing all of these things, and you want to do something extra that might give you a little bit of a boost, or you do have a lot of arthritis-type pain, bee venom therapy might be a good one to consider, but do your homework, get somebody good.
Got it. Thank you, Dr. Rawls.